Okay, you get the warning on your dash saying the key fob battery is low. Replacing it is extremely easy. If you look at the key, you'll see a button here. If you press that button, it releases the emergency key, which you can open the car under the door handle with. Note, this does separate on this car. No need to separate that, you can just put that to one side. And if you look, there's a little space here. You can open the back cover, and that will reveal your CR2032 battery, Varta in this case, which you can then simply pop out and then go ahead and replace. Slide in to the front and down, and that simply clicks into place. And then you get the back cover, click it into place as well, and return emergency key, which will then click into place also. Very easy job to do. You can get those batteries in plenty of shops. Easy job to do yourself.